Hi, I'm Tim Bartz, Internet Sales Manager here at McArthur Ford, Salina, Kansas, where you can find the most in-depth video walkarounds on our different Ford and Lincoln vehicles, specific to the model and even to each of the different trims. We call them our complete guides, where we cover all the standard equipment as well as optional equipment. We also have some great how-to videos on our YouTube channel. You can find a full in-depth one on the different productivity screens, even on your F-150, whether you have the 4.2-inch screen or the 8-inch with the off-road capabilities in there and all the other different towing capabilities in there. You can check those videos on our YouTube channel. So hit the red subscribe button down below so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel, you'll know about those. So in this video, we're going to talk about the different drive modes. Now, some people may not realize this, but your different drive modes are available on your F-150s, whether it be a two-wheel drive or a 4x4. Show you where it's located and a little bit more information about the drive modes. Now let's talk about the different drive modes. There is a switch for the drive modes, and I actually struggled a little bit on this one with the bucket seats with the console, figuring out where that was, because I always thought it was up here on the shifter on the end. So if you do have a vehicle with a bench seat, maybe it doesn't have the bucket seats, or maybe it has the bucket with the console, but you don't have the floor shifter, it is going to be located on the gear shift on the end of that. So you would click that and it would switch from your drive modes. If you do have a bucket seats with the console with the floor shifter, it's going to be located over here on the side of the shifter itself. It's labeled DM. So what the drive modes are, you just press that button and you have 5 different drive modes. You have a normal mode, you have a tow haul mode, you have a snow wet mode, you also have an eco mode and a sport mode. So all those different modes allow for shifting a little bit different for your transmission. So let's go through some of those. Of course, normal mode, when you first start the vehicle, that's the mode that you're going to see. Regardless when you start the vehicle up, it's going to have normal acceleration, normal shifting of your vehicle, also be in 2 high. Now whether you have a 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, you're going to have all these drive modes. You do not have to have a 4-wheel drive to have the drive modes. Also, when you go to tow haul mode, that is just like it sounds. If you're towing something, you're pulling something, you're going to want to put it in that tow haul mode, so that way it doesn't keep shifting up and down through the upper gears. So with this 10-speed automatic transmission, it'll continue to shift, especially if you're going through hills and such, where it needs to downshift a little bit to help you pull that trailer. It's going to keep shifting up and down through those gears and can really hurt your transmission. So put it in the tow haul mode, keeps it from going into those higher gears and keeping it to where it doesn't shift so much, and it helps out your transmission. Also, then you go to the wet snow mode. Now wet snow, just like it sounds, if it's wet outside, if it's snowing, whatever it might be, especially 2-wheel drives will really help out. So that way it's not going to maybe accelerate and spin those tires on these. Now this is a 2.7 liter EcoBoost engine that I have in my truck here, and this one here has a lot of acceleration, a lot of torque on all these. A lot of the engines will have that, and that's going to help when you have it in this mode to where it doesn't spin those tires so much. And again, this is where if you have the 2-speed 4-wheel drive system, it'll put it in that 4 auto as well for that different mode. Go over to the eco mode. This does really help you save on fuel economy. So you're gonna, again, it's gonna help for those tires that don't spin so much. Also keep it in some of those gears so that you're not shifting up and down, conserving on your fuel economy. That way, giving you better fuel economy in the vehicle. So if you're wanting great fuel economy, put it in that mode when you get in the vehicle. And then you have that sport mode. You know, sport mode is a great mode. It's not going to change any 4-wheel drive system, but it will give you more spirited rides. So it'll keep you in some of those gears a little bit longer, especially when you're going around windy roads, maybe going up and down through hills and such. Now, if you're wanting really good traction on your truck and you have 4-wheel drive, you can put it in the sport mode and put your 4 high on or 4 auto, and it's going to have better automatic pull. So any of those vehicles that you put those V8s with the superchargers in them, make sure you put it in the sport mode with the 4 high, and you're going to get the best traction, especially if you have an electronic locking rear differentials. So those are different drive modes and where that button is located, so that way you can enjoy your vehicle a little bit more when you're driving it, learning a little bit about those different drive modes. Change them around, find out what you like the best and what's best for whatever type of driving habits you're wanting, whether it be the eco mode, maybe the sport mode, or definitely on those wet conditions, putting it in that snow wet mode. Now, as always, drop your comments down below. I love getting that feedback, and if you have any questions, that's what I'm here for. Love helping you out, whether you've purchased a vehicle with us or not. Also, if you want to see some of the different complete guides that we do or some of those, go over to our YouTube channel. In fact, hit the red subscribe button down there so you can get subscribed to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell. That way you get notified the next time we have another video uploaded to our YouTube channel. And as always, you can always go to our website, lawmcarthur.com, where you can see plenty of our different inventory there. And also, if you have any questions, you can call or send us a text message. We're here to help you out any way possible. And we do have free shipping from here in Salina, Kansas to about anywhere within the 48 states. So we do ask you to finance it with us, but that is something we can do for you, and there's a lot of people taking us up on that because they love getting the vehicle ordered the way they want it to from a dealership that knows their product delivered right to the door. Don't forget, check out our YouTube channel for more videos there on our complete guides on all our different Ford and Lincoln models specific to the trim. In fact, I have about all of the 2020 F-150 ones done already. Still need to do a couple there, but you'll see those on our YouTube channel. So definitely check that out. You can also find my YouTube channel. You can just hashtag FordVideoGuy, as well as I have the link down in the description. If you want to check it out, more of a vlog about the F-150 and my experiences with it and different things that I do to my truck to make it a little more fun. And I even have some cool things where some things I did to this particular truck on my channel too. So if you want to check it out, the link for that channel is down in the description as well. Don't forget, smash that like button. Let other people know it's a great video they need to watch. And if you want to save this to your playlist, don't forget to do that, as well as share it out to anybody that you might think needs this information. So again, check us out on different social media sites. We're at Law McArthur on Facebook, on Twitter, and on Instagram. And until the next video, we'll see you later.